Congratulations on protecting your vehicle with paint protection film with Precision Auto Protective Films. In this video, we're going to give you some essential aftercare tips to make sure that your PPF is looking flawless and performing its best for years to come. For the first 10 days after the installation, avoid washing your car, using a pressure washer, or going to an automated car wash. Also avoid picking at the edges for proper adhesion, and also do not push at any bubbles or any areas that are not fully cured yet. After 14 days, your PPF will be fully cured. When cleaning your vehicle, always use pH neutral car soap and a soft wash mitt to avoid scratching the film. Then rinse thoroughly and dry with a microfiber towel. Always avoid using harsh chemicals, degreasers like bug/tar removers directly on the film. Also avoid using automated car washes if possible. PPF is durable, but for the best results, we recommend having a ceramic coating applied on the PPF to enhance the gloss and protect against any contaminants. Be mindful of strong solvents or fuel spills. Wipe them off immediately. Also check the edges periodically to ensure that they're secure. Following these simple steps will keep your paint protection film performing at its best. If you have any questions or need any additional products, don't hesitate to contact us at Precision Auto Protective Films. Thank you for trusting us with your vehicle.